Step bars are a great addition to any truck. Not only do they provide easy entrance in and out of your vehicle, but they add some flair and protection as well. We went with Westin's HDX Drop Step for our F-150. With features like solid one-piece steel design, notch steps, and rugged punch plates, they're the perfect choice for our F-150. In this video, we're going to show you how to install these steps on our F-150. Now let's get to work. We're going to start this process by going under the truck and locating all the step bar studs. We're going to be inserting these plastic washers on the studs. The purpose of these washers is to create a barrier between the aluminum body of the truck and the steel step to prevent corrosion. Repeat this process on all the step bar studs under the truck. The second step in our process is to pre-assemble the brackets by taking the bolt, flat washer, locking washer, and nut. And we're just going to loosely assemble these and we'll tighten them in the final process. Repeat this step on all 6 brackets. Our center mounting bracket has an offset in it, not to be confused with our end mounting brackets on either side. Make sure to take note of the orientation of our brackets because they will fit in multiple locations and not be correct. We're going to go flat washer, split washer, and nut, and repeat this process on all 3 bolts. Make sure not to tighten these down all the way and just snug them up. We'll come back and tighten them all the way later. Just repeating the same process as before. Next, we're going to hang the step bar on the brackets. Next, we're going to start to install the hardware on the step bars. We can go through and start all the bolts, coming back to tighten them later. Repeat this process on all 6 holes. Now we're going to proceed to torquing the brackets. We're going to work from the top of the bracket to the bottom, torquing it to the specification in the instructions. Now that this side is done, repeat the process on the other side. We just finished up the install of our Westin HDX step bars. It only took us about 60 minutes and a few tools to throw them on. So with a little bit of time and some good old elbow grease, you could have a step bar with the form, feel, and function that any truck owner will love. Thanks for watching. They offer a great flare, protection, they offer great. We just finished up the install of our Westin HDX Drop. One-piece solid steel design. They offer the. We went with Westin's HDX Drops.